Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In the last few sessions, we have learned how to make different type of CAD blocks and how we can use some previously made CAD blocks, modify them, recreate them or copy them to your own drawings. Now this is a DIY project for you. DIY means do it yourself. It is a method of building, modifying, or repairing things without the direct aid of experts or professionals. So you have to recreate this drawing which is attached all along with this lecture. You can see there is no rocket science in this layout. This stove has been taught how to create. This kitchen shelf has been taught. This cupboard has been taught. This 6-chair dining room or a dining table has been taught. This sitting plan has been taught. How to create a bed has been taught. Different bathroom accessories have been taught and an AutoCAD file has also been provided. You can see it is a simple hatch. You can change its intensity as well. This is also a simple hatch, so there's no need to get confused. Another thing here is a car. So in the next session, I will share a complete detailed AutoCAD file which has a variety of cars in it. I hope that you can create this project yourself quite easily. In case you are stuck, you can simply go to internet and write free CAD blocks. I do not recommend paid blocks for your beginner level practices. You can see in the first link we have this website. Here you can see a variety of CAD blocks like furniture, bathroom, and then there are some trees. Let's take a random one, like here is an elevation of color trees. Let's click on it. So here is a variety of an elevation color trees. You can simply click here on this download CAD blocks button and it would be downloaded. If you have a specific software, it would be downloaded via that one, or it would be done by your own browser. By the end of the day, you will have this file on your computer. So it is an archive file, so you have to extract it here. Next, we can rename it and keep it in our own directory so that you can reuse it as per your requirement afterwards as well. Once you open it, it will take some time as it has multiple blocks in it. Now you can see one by one. You have got a variety of trees elevations. Again, it is not difficult to create. If we go and explode it, you can see these are also hatches. Like this. A certain angle has been provided to give it a nice shape. So it is all about your own creativity. All the basics have been taught to you. Now it is up to you to practice them and get expertise to an extent that you are able to create your own CAD blocks. I hope you would be able to do this DIY project with quite ease. The complete file is attached along with this lesson. So, best of luck for this project. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.